Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can pay with your paysafe card on supercell store. So for that just open your supercell store on your laptop or PC, or you can open it on your mobile Chrome browser. After opening your supercell store, just pick up any game or any story that you want to purchase. So let's say I will select this one, brawl store. So when you select this one and go to your checkout page, here you will click on this checkout. When you click on checkout page, here you will get an option to pay. Now there are different options: PayPal, GPay, and now here niche the other option is pay by card. So you will simply select pay by card. Now in this section, you will insert all the detail of your paysafe card, like your card number, name on card, expiration date, security code. After entering all the detail, you will just click on pay option, and your card will be credited with the required amount, and your purchase will be done. So this is the way how you can pay with paysafe card on supercell store.